Hello and welcome. In this video, I show you how you can quickly merge two or more MIDI clips into one. Very easy and effective.
My name is Sendaidokai. Let's get started.
So we have, for example, two MIDI clips, and these two MIDI clips I want to merge into one MIDI clip. So one solution would be I just copy this one MIDI clip down here and then put this input of this track into the MIDI source to Midi. So this track gets input from this track with this clip. And now I just have to put the play marker into the beginning, arm the track and hit record. And I got all the notes in here. So this would be the first way to do it very easily and very quickly. So another way would be I again take this clip holding down the control key while doing that, releasing the mouse and making a copy here, and then go into this clip. Then I go to the second clip, click in here, click Control A to select all the notes, then copy, go in this track, and then paste it. But you can see when I did that, in this clip, the notes start at this position and the copied notes start at the first position. So this is a bit problematic. So let's undo that. Go again in this clip. Now you have two possibilities. You copy everything like this, and you notice that there is a gap in the beginning. Now you can put your play marker here so you see where it begins. You go here, put your play marker here, and now you paste it. Now they start at the same position. This is a bit difficult. It could be a little bit quirky. What you can do as a workaround, if you want to choose that way, you could just use like a note that you can remove later. So make a note that you know this doesn't have to be there. That starts directly in the beginning. So Control A, then copy everything, go to here, put the play marker here and paste everything. And now remove that note here again. This works, but you know, if you're not so very concentrated, this might fail. But there's even a better possibility to do that. And with that better possibility, you can copy 2 clips or 2000 clips or whatever. So I have 3 clips here. I select all 3 clips, holding down Shift and select the last first, holding down Shift, selecting the last. And then the multi-layer selection opens here. And what's now important is that your selection is not on track. It should be on clip. Now, to be sure, just select here everything again. Select the time selection tool here. And now select the whole area. Click on copy. Create here a new clip, same length. Go in here, start in the beginning, paste it. And now you have all notes in the 3rd clip or 4th clip, or in the, depends how many clips you are copying. That's the quickest way to copy 2 or 2000 MIDI clips at the same time. Okay, but if you have this situation, so you have different clips and you want to copy the whole area here into one clip. So you could go and select everything with the time selection tool here. So all the tracks are selected here, and then you consolidate everything. And now you just go on like I showed you already. Go in here, open the editor, make sure you're on clip. Then I normally just select all. I don't think it's very necessary, but I do it. Then select the time selection and select everything here. Copy it. Create a new clip here. Open it. Put the play cursor in the beginning. And then paste it. And you have everything there. So this is really the quickest way I know how to do that. If you know some other cool tricks and ways how to do that, just let me know in the comments.
Thank you for your time and attention, and I hope to see you again in the next video. Stay healthy, save the future, take care, see you then. Ciao, ciao.